Hi, Christine at One Pour More, just going over techniques you can create with your at-home pour kit, or if you have acrylic pouring paint in your home. My acrylic pouring paint is Artist Loft acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol paint conditioner and water. The next technique we're doing is also what I consider a basic technique. It's called the tree ring pour. It's another dirty pour. I'm going to use the same cup as I did for the flip cup. And I'm just going to stack again my colors in the cup, remembering that the first color in is the last color out, so it's in the middle of your painting. And an 8 by 10 canvas takes 5 ounces of paint. 10 by 10 canvas takes 6.5. 12 by 12, 11 to 14 take about 9 ounces of paint. 16 by 20 takes about 16 ounces of paint. You will receive the correct sizes of cups with instructions in your at-home pour kit. The tree ring pour is nice because it has a lot of detail to it, which is why a lot of people, I think, like it. Marcy Farrow, who is Mixed Media Girl on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, she really prefers the tree ring pour. It's one of her favorites to do. All right. Last paint in is the first paint out, which means it ends up pushed to the edges. If you ever run out of paint when you are stacking paint for a pour, you can always put a different colored paint on the very top to finish it out, because it's going to end up over the edge anyway. So not a big deal. So for a tree ring pour, what we're going to do is we are going to pour the paint slowly into the center of the canvas. You can see my hand shakes, and that's okay. I'm still gonna end up with tree rings. You can do small circles if you want to, like really tiny circles, like boop, 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 as small as you can, but you don't have to get the technique. If you pour fast, you will not get the detail. What you're hearing in the background is here at Monterey Court, they have live music in the evenings, which is really nice. It creates a lovely ambiance. So if you book a pour party, you will be able to book it during a time when there is live music, or you can reserve a table for after your pour party to have dinner and enjoy the live music. Okay. Again, we're going to tilt to manipulate our paint. And again, I try to go slowly toward the edges. You can go opposites, so I get right to that point, and then I try to come back the other way to preserve my pattern. And then I come back to the center, and then I can go to this corner, then come back to the center, go crossways to this corner. Then I'm going to start taking it off the edge. And again, I'm going to go crossways to preserve my pattern in the center. And I want to come back to the middle. We'll come this way. And then back the other direction. And you can see those beautiful striations which indicate tree ring. And once you get your canvas covered, you again want to bring your pattern back to where you are happy with it. If you're ever not happy with a pour painting, the beautiful thing is you can always add more paint. All right, I think I'm happy with that. There's our tree ring pour. It is a favorite of many people because it's so detailed. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the other techniques.